Hello everyone. Welcome back to Careers 360. From India's oldest engineering institute to cutting-edge AI labs, Chennai is booming with brilliance. Buckle up as we reveal the top 10 engineering colleges you need to know. Starting with the college that stands on number 10th position, Wells Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Chennai. It's a private college. NIRF ranking, if I talk about, it's basically ranging between 101 to 150. Placement percentage 96%, median salary 4.2 lakhs, and the tuition fee is basically 9 lakhs 20,000 for the entire 4-year program. Okay. Moving ahead and talking about the college, it stands on number 9, Raja Lakshmi Engineering College, Chennai. It's a private college and the NRF ranking is between 101 to 150. The placement percentage is 97%, median salary 4.71 lakhs, and the tuition fee is 2 lakhs 20,000 basically. Talking about the highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, that is BECST, it's 11,130, and the highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BE Civil Engineering, it's 46,008. So guys, these closing ranks, they are based on TNEA cutoffs. Closing rank is basically filtered based on the general category, male candidates. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 8th position, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai. It's a private college. NRF ranking ranges between 101 to 150. Placement percentage is 45%. And the median salary is 4.65 lakhs. Remember, dear ones, we have sorted these colleges based on the NRF rankings only. Talking about the college that stands on number 7th position, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram. It's a government college. NIRF ranking is between 101 to 150. Placement percentage is 74%. Median salary is 10.95 lakhs and the tuition fee is 7,65,800. Talking about the highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, BTech CSE and MTech CSE, it's 22,849. Highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BTech Smart Manufacturing, it's 48,128. So over here, we are talking about JEE Mains cutoff. Closing rank is basically filtered on general category, male candidates. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands on number 6th position, Welltech Ranga Rajan Dr. Sanguthala R and the Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. The ownership is basically, I'll say it's a private college. NIRF ranking 86, placement percentage 99%, median salary, it's literally very, very lucrative, 18.5 lakhs, and the tuition fee for the entire course is 12 lakhs 40,000. Moving ahead and talking about the college, it stands on number 5th position. It's Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. It's a private college, NIRF ranking 66, placement percentage 67%, and median salary is 4.82 lakhs. Moving ahead and talking about the college, it stands on number 4th position, Savitha Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences, Chennai. It's a private college, NIRF ranking 53, placement percentage 31%, median salary 4.48 lakhs. Talking about the college that stands on number 3rd position, it's Anna University, Chennai. The ownership is basically, it's a government college, NIRF ranking 14, placement percentage 89%, median salary is 7.5 lakhs and the tuition fee is 1,29,400. Highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch is for BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, and that is 1,099. Talking about the highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BE Mechanical and Smart Manufacturing, it's 1,33,670. It's based on TNEA cutoff. Clear? Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands in number 2nd position, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. The ownership, it's a private college, NIRF ranking 13, placement percentage 98%, median salary 6.1 lakhs, and the tuition fees 19 lakhs basically for the entire 4-year program. Talking about the college that stands in number 1 position, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Ownership, it's a government college, NIRF ranking 1, placement percentage 94%, median salary 17 lakhs, tuition fee 8 lakhs 73,608. The highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch BTech CSE is 159 and the highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch BS Biological Science is 10,682. It's basically based on JEE Advanced cutoff. Closing rank is filtered on general category male candidates. This basically wraps up talking about the top 10 engineering colleges in Chennai. Which one's your dream college? Heritage Rich IIT Madras, Innovation First SSN, or Opportunity Packed SRM? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for your guided campus tour. Till then, take care and bye-bye.